I just zip-tied a piece of copper wire to the laser module. Next I just zip-tied the air assist to the copper wire and added a plastic coupler from my irrigation fittings, which narrowed down the hole. I will now attempt to cut out 3 circles out of 5mm plywood that I purchased at Home Depot. You can see my power is set to 80% and speed is 250 and just using one pass. With the copper wire, I can bend the nozzle to blow at different angles. Here I am just blowing directly on the laser spot. Here I am just running the video at real-time speed to show you the quality of the cut. To me the cut is looking very clean and precise. These are my first test, but the results look promising for cutting, compared to the stock air assist setup, in my opinion. But I need to do a lot more tests before coming to any conclusion. So I will speed this up, but we will watch it complete, the full cut of the circles. You can see that there really is no charring taking place, and the cut line is very fine and detailed. Again, you can see that there is very little charring present, as the cut looks really clean. But the question is, does it cut any better than the stock air assist setup? Now let's see how deep the cut was able to penetrate the wood, with the power set to 80%, speed set to 250, and one pass. Now I will grab my digital caliper and measure the thickness of the plywood in millimeters. As you can see, this plywood measures at a thickness of 5 millimeters. Here is just a quick look on how I attached the air assist to the laser module. This is about as basic as you can get, and just wanted to see the results before seeing if it was worth attempting to make a better attachment. From these first tests, I am getting better results with fewer passes and less charring. I need to readjust my previous settings I had because it's cutting much better. So I need to continue experimenting and save the new material settings in Lightburn's material library. So this is part 1, as I will be making some more updates on my results, by going back and testing on some of the previous materials I have used, and seeing if I am getting better results. Stay tuned and keep on burning.